Hello guys. So I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of this outfit when the night light hit it. So if you want to make this is easy. You're going to make a pair of high-waisted leggings that stop up here. And then you're going to take two ties and cross it. There you go. But I'm going to show you how the bottom is made. So y'all know how they making those stacked jeans. So you just make it longer, and then this is cut in a triangle at a triangle piece at the bottom. So the bottom of this outfit is stacked down at the bottom. So, but do y'all see how gorgeous that sparkle is? So it's a real simple process. So y'all can make this y'all self. So I wanted to share and give something back. But it's real simple. Just a pair of high-waisted leggings, and then these two triangle pieces. Put one here, crisscross the other one over there. Boom, that is. Boom, there it is. Oh, boom, there it is. So y'all go ahead and make these beautiful sparkling outfits. And yes, this one is made with glitter. Toodoo!